Kelompok 5. 1. Dira Restu Utami. 2. Rimbo Tanjung. Yang pertama itu ada A. Titel Lectures Experience in Assessing 21 Cultural Mathematics Competition in Indonesia. 1. How to Cite Dewanti SS, Karto Uwagiran B, Jailani and Retnawati H. 2020. Lectures Experience in Assessing 21 Cultural Mathematics Competition in Indonesia. Problems of Education in the 21 Cultural 78 4. B. Introduction. 1. Problems. Ideally, an assessment must be creative, integrative, practical, and collaborative by assessing students' learning from multiple aspects. Assessment strategies require change to meet today's work demands so that the assessment can measure complex capabilities. The assessment was carried out in detail and strategic, starting from assessment to measure knowledge, measure the ability to think mathematically and the ability to examine problems. Moreover, assessment can also be done in more detail, such as assessment for measuring the ability to gather information, to make information, and to make action for decision on the use of technology. However, besides on the assessment report conducted by the lecturers, it did not show the learning assessment from multiple aspects. The assessment report has not been able to provide a clear picture of the process and result of 21 quarterly mathematics competency assessment. The 21 quarterly mathematics competency assessment will involve various activities. One of them is the process of understanding students' mathematical thinking. The process of understanding students' mathematical thinking can be done through students' explanation, strategies, and mathematical behavior, which will be far more complex than the way teachers think about mathematical concepts and mathematics learning. Even 20 therefore, teachers need diverse ways of thinking about planning, learning, and assessing. Some research results indicated that there were variations in the teacher applying innovative assessment practices based on the concept of learning and mathematics assessment. Thus, the accuracy of lectures in the practice of mathematics competency assessment is important in evaluating learning that has been done and will affect the planning of subsequent mathematics learning. Therefore, the exploration of lectures' experience in assessing 21 cultural mathematics competence need to be done through JEP. The implementation of the 21 cultural mathematics competence assessment becomes a serious challenge because it is demand of curriculum report that emphasize learning experience. In recent years, researchers have assessed mathematical competence on large scales such as TIM, SS, and PISA by using advanced statistical methods. Nevertheless, the focus for classroom assessment is still measuring on the ability of students to remember facts, measure students' abilities to think complexly and problem solving. Then problems also often arise from the test instruments that were used. The the test instrument has not been designed to measure how well students can apply what have already known to a new situation and evaluate how students solve the problems using technological assistance. Also, the test instruments have not been designed to help teachers evaluating predetermined learning targets. That assessment will eventually lead to the gap between students' knowledge and the competition in need in the 21 culture. Three purpose realizing the importance of 21 culture, the accuracy of mathematics competency assessment. This study specially special specifically made to explore 21 culture planning, learning and assessment of mathematics competence. Thus, Uh, this research is directed to answer the following research question. One, how the mathematics education study program lectures do the planning, learning, and assessing of mathematics competence. Two, what kind of mathematical competencies are developed in the learning and do in the assessment. C. Methods 1. Context or design. This research uses a qualitative ap- approach with the phenomenological method. Phenomenology can be defined as the study or investigation of how things operate, were given, or presented themselves to us in pre-reflective or life experience. This research aimed to unfold the paradigm or perspective of lectures on the assessment of 21 cultural mathematics competence. This perspective can be seen in the behavior or the experience of lectors in conducting assessment. The experience of lecturers will be identified as in-depth and thoroughly to get the meaning of 21 century mathematics competency assessment. This research was conducted for 5 months, starting from August to December 2091. This research was expected to be the basis for future research, especially to develop a 21 culturally systematic competence assessment. 2. Participant or sampling. The research participants were 20 lecturers from the mathematics education study program in a 12 provinces in Indonesia. The number of participants based on recommendation from Paul Kinghorn. The research saw interview 5 to 25 people whom all experienced the phenomenon. The selected participants were considered by gender. Higher education institution in Indonesia and lectures academic degrees. The composition of the participants were 13 male lectures and 7 female lectures. There were 7 lectures from public universities, 7 lectures from private universities, 2 lectures from public institutes, 3 lectures from private institutes, and 1 lecture from private college. There were 5 lectures with doctorates. 12 lectors were doctoral candidates and 3 lectors had master degrees. 3. Data collection or instrument data collection was done through in-depth individual interview. Interviews were conducted in a 16 to 19 minutes duration to reveal the following aspects. One lecturer's experience in planning and conducting learning that facilitates students in developing 21st century mathematics competence. 2. Lecturers' experience in planning and evaluating 21 cultural mathematics competence. 3. Expectation for planning, implementation of learning, and assessment that have not been assessed. And 4. Strategies taken by lecturers to exceed this expectation during the interview. The research also studied the assessment document made by the participant to uh, obtain data or information about the planning and practice of mathematics competence assessment. Moreover, the research tried to create a conducive atmosphere so the participants felt comfortable and free in responding to a free question recite. 4. Four variables. 21. Culture, mathematics, competency assessment, lecturers' experience in assessment, mathematics education study program lectures. 5. Data analysis or statistics. The phenomenological method was used in analyzing participant transcripts. All transcripts were read several times to get overall information about participants. From each transcript, the researcher identified important sentences related to the lecturer's experience in planning and evaluating 21 cultural mathematics competence. Then the researcher formulated the meanings based on important statements and parents. Then the meaning that have been formulated are grouped into the themes or general themes that were applied to all participant transcripts. The result of grouping themes then were described in the based on this phenomena. After the description and themes were obtained, the research validated the findings by meeting several participants for the second time. If there were new relevant data, then the data were included in the final description. Analytical reduction of participant experience in the implementation of learning and assessment of 21 cultural mathematics competence become an important part of data analysis in this study. The researcher used the help of A.T. Uh, uh, L A L A S T I a software in analyzing data with the following steps: 1. Creating a harmonistic unit. 2. Inputting data by creating several primary documents. 3. Using data and making several questions. 4. Providing coding. 5. Making a network vector. 6. Making a memo by commenting on each data. And 7. Producing an output in the form of data presentation and visualization. Truth in methodology was done through verification, validation, and validity. Verification was done through electoral share activities following the phenomenological method. Grouping experience, making file notes, use adequate sample, identifying negative case, and conduction interviews until data integrity is accepted. Validation is an evaluation in a project carried out by various data collection methods such as interviews and document studies. Also, validation can be done by analyzing and coding data by more experienced research, checking participant and key information. As well as audit trials, validity is the goal of research based on truth reviews. The conclusion and suggestion. Conclusion: the study described the experience of lectures in planning, learning, and evaluating 21 cultural mathematics competence. This experience of influenced by the lectors' view on the nature of mathematics and competence. This view was influenced by lectors' understanding of the scope of mathematics, the essence of mathematics, and the mathematical competence needed in the 21st century. Understanding the lectures of 21 cultural mathematics competence also affected the identification of competence and the development of competences in learning, which will certainly affect the assessment made by the lectors. The study also revealed strategies for developing and evaluating mathematical competence in the learning process, but there was a mismatch between the two strategies. The lectors have not focused on the 21 country mathematics competency assessment. The focus of the assessment so far has been on understanding mathematical concepts and problem solving. The assessment of each mathematical competence was only done globally and not done in detail. Nonetheless, lectors can express their hopes for the ideal 21 country planning, learning, and assessment of mathematical competence. There were 8 competences developed by lectors in learning, namely mathematical thinking competence, problem thinking competence, modeling competence, reasoning competence, representing competency, symbol and formalist competency, communication competency, and S and tool competency. The assessment made by the lecturer include one, assessment of the understanding and scope of concept by abstracting mathematical property and generalizing result to a broad scope. Two, assessment in interviewing, submitting course problem, then solving them. 3. Assessment in coding and completing the model. 4. Evaluating in carrying out mathematical proof. 5. Assessment in understanding and utilizing mathematics by decoding, interpreting, and distinguishing between various types of objects in mathematical phenomena. 6. Evaluation in translating natural language into symbolic and formal language. 7. Assessment in understanding writing, visual, or oral text regarding mathematical context. And 8. And skills assessment using mathematical teaching aids and mathematical software. However, the lectures did not have an appropriate assessment instrument yet. By following the indicator of 21 mathematics competence. For this reason, further research is needed to explore mathematical competence indicator in detail. They use as a basis for developing 21 criteria mathematics competency assessment model. Suggestion: mathematics was considered as one of the most important subjects in school curricula all around the world. The importance of mathematics was expressed by participants when describing their views on the development of mathematics from the past to the present. Mathematics was used to look for patterns, and the patterns were used to formulate new conjectures. Through abstraction and logic, mathematics was developed starting from counting, calculating, measuring, and last was systematic studying. Mathematics was used to formulate new conjecture, conjectures and constructs through, deductive method derived from corresponding axioms and definition. This is consistent with the opinion of the uh, Ambrosio that mathematics is considered as the backbone of civilization, the basis of science and technology.